In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 10 computer keyboard shortcuts that everyone should know. Stay tuned to find out more. The first keyboard shortcut that we're going to look at is Control plus the S to save a document on your desktop. So we're here in Microsoft Word. This is a practice document, so I'm going to hit Control S, and you can see the Save This File screen pops up. There's the name of the file. Of course, you could rename that if you want, and you can choose your location with the drop down arrow right there. So Control S to save a document. The next keyboard shortcut we're going to look at is to print. So to print, we can do Control plus P, and we can print quickly. So here we go, Control P, and there you can see my print screen opens up. You can choose, how many pages you want to print, all those different things. So Control P to quickly print a document. If you wanted to highlight all of the everything on a page, you could click your mouse and you could drag across it like that. Or if you wanted everything on this page, instead of clicking your mouse, you can hit Control plus A and everything on the page will be highlighted. Control A to highlight everything on a page. And after you have everything highlighted, you may want to copy that and put it somewhere else. So to copy everything on that page after you have everything highlighted that you want, then hit Control plus C to copy. Control plus C to copy. Now it's copied to your clipboard, and you can go put that in another document or somewhere else. And after you had everything copied by using Control C, then you can simply use Control V as in Victor, Control plus V, and that will paste everything you just copied into wherever you want it to go. So there is the article that we just copied. Okay, this is really cool. Let's say I didn't want one of these words here in capital letters, so I could highlight the word. I'm going to highlight society. I'm going to do Shift and F3, and it'll change those letters to lowercase letters. Shift and F3. So let's see, down here again, here's the word credit. Highlight the word credit, and then Shift and F3. And now credit is in lowercase letters. Let's say you're working on your computer and you have several browser tabs open, and let's say you are trying to open up another one, and instead of doing that, you accidentally maybe close the one that you didn't want to close, and now you've got that browser tab closed. All you need to do is go to Control, Shift, and T, and it will open up that browser tab right back where you had it. Control Shift T to open a browser tab that you closed accidentally. Alright, so if you're working on a document and you are cutting and pasting and highlighting things and things like that, one of the other important ones you can use is, of course, Control X to cut. You can use Control X to cut. I know a lot of people like to right click. Let's say we have this paragraph highlighted here. Of course, many people know they can just right click on that, but another way you can do it with the shortcut, keyboard shortcut, is, and actually is one of my favorite ways to do it. Actually, I do it with the keyboard shortcut instead of right clicking. So we're going to hit Control plus X, and now we've cut that paragraph out, and let's say we wanted it to go above that paragraph perhaps. Control V, like we talked about a while ago, to paste. There you go. So Control X to cut. Alright, let's say you wanted to delete a document permanently without placing it in the recycle bin. So here I am cleaning up my desktop, and I have this document here. It says please delete me. I don't want it in the recycle bin, so I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click Shift and delete, and then it says, do you want to permanently delete this file? I'm going to say yes. So that's how you permanently delete a file without it going to the recycle bin. Shift and delete. Alright, and the last keyboard shortcut that we want to know is if you are working on the internet, got some tabs open, and all of a sudden you need to get into the start menu for some reason, you can hit the control and escape. Control and escape will make the start menu appear, and you can scroll around and figure out what you need, what program you need. So control escape is a keyboard shortcut to get the start menu to appear. I hope you've enjoyed these keyboard shortcuts. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, and maybe a comment below with your favorite keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. Have a great day.